Hey folks. Today I'm diving into something that's got the whole business world buzzing. China's manufacturing revolution and what it means for all of us in 2025. So, if you're a business professional, grab a coffee, because these quick insights could help you stay one step ahead. Let's set the stage. For the last few decades, China's been the go-to manufacturing powerhouse. But 2025, it's a whole new ballgame. We're talking automation, artificial intelligence, and digital supply chains shaking up everything we thought we knew. First up, automation. Chinese factories are rolling out more robots and smart equipment than ever before. The goal? Speed, scale, and precision, without the rising labor costs eating into margins. Imagine production lines that barely stop, even as the lights go out. That's not just efficiency, it's a game changer. Next, AI. We're seeing smart algorithms predict demand, manage inventory, and even design products. If you're sourcing from China, expect faster turnarounds and more customized options. For your business, that could mean leaner supply chains and less risk. But here's the kicker. Digital supply chains. Transparent, traceable, and lightning fast. With blockchain and IoT, companies can track every component, from raw material to final shipment. That means real-time updates, fewer surprises, and more accountability. So what should you do? Keep your eyes open for new tech-driven partners in China. Build relationships with suppliers who are investing in smart factories and data analytics. And don't be afraid to ask about their digital capabilities. The bottom line? China's manufacturing revolution isn't just about cheaper goods anymore. It's about smarter, faster, more resilient business. If you adapt now, you'll be well placed to ride this next wave of global growth. That's my quick take. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you found this useful, don't forget to follow for more insights. Thanks for watching.